Huh?
Show it.
There's a red light on it.
All right, hey y'all.
Oh.
All right, so Hannah's helping me film today. I'm gonna pick my first ghost pepper. So Dylan May, it's coming, buddy.
Is that the only one you have?
That's rotten.
Is that a ghost
That's
pepper
the
too?
very first ghost pepper. The others are not ripe yet. That's a dead tomato plant. We're trying to beat the thunderstorm that's about to hit. Cayenne peppers are coming along pretty nicely, but they're not quite ready yet. I want to wait till they're red. Oh, I hear the thunder. That banana plant's not ready yet. At least it's producing fruit. So I'm going to jump in and pick up as many of these tomatoes and peppers as I can before I get eaten alive by the mosquitoes. Brad's atomic grape are coming in very nicely. Moving on to the peppers. Let's see. Go ahead and get that one. Those are still little. Poblanos are still little. Oh, a whole bunch of tomatoes.
You're gonna come around to the other side?
You want to? Lots of bell peppers already.
One that's right here. There's 2, 3,
Isn't that cool?
4. I see. Are they all ready? Oh, I see
Yeah,
6.
but they're
5.
kind of small. Oh, this one's big. Look at that bed. I'm gonna get that one. The others I might let go a few more days.
What are these?
This,
This.
I believe those are my poblanos.
You believe?
Yeah, I didn't tag them. Well, I did tag them, and then I up-potted everything and then lost the tag, so I don't know.
It's a surprise.
Everything's a surprise in this garden. I might taste them. I want to see if they try colors first, because I think that would.
If you pay me enough, I'll take a bite out of it.
Okay, dear. Oh, the critter's been munching on that one. Oh, didn't see those suckers. There's so many bell peppers. I'm loving it. More tomatoes. I need to stake up some of these branches. This plant's loaded down too. Still kind of small. Give them a few more days. Let's see if I can find the tag on this one. Yeah, this one's my Fresno. So since they're starting to blush, I'm gonna go ahead and pick these.
Why do you pick it when they start blushing?
Oh, I broke the branch, doggone it.
Is it dead now?
Well, it won't recover. I lost 2 fruits. It would have produced fruit right there, but I broke the branch off, so just compost in place. I'd rather pick them when they're this color and actually be able to get to use them versus the bugs get it first. So underripe is better than not getting them at all. And I kind of need to look up this pepper plant. I'm wanting to say this is my jalapeno. And if that's the case, then they're ready, but I need to do some Googling first. More tomatoes already. This tomato plant right here is the Arkansas Traveler. I think it's my second favorite tomato plant. Now I'm gonna say it 1,000 more times. My best tomato plant is the giant Belgian tomato, which is the one on the end here. It's so prolific, gives me so much fruit. I absolutely love that plant. I will grow it every single year. And so since these are already starting to blush, I want them for our consumption versus the insects. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them.
It's a big one.
I know, look at that
Is
sucker.
that a tomato?
Yes, of course it's a tomato. That's off of the giant Belgian. I'm gonna take a peek at more of the pepper plants real quick. I'm starting to feel the skeeters bite me. I have a whole bunch of bell peppers, but they're on the small side, so I want to give them a little bit longer. Habanero plant is right here, but they're not quite ready yet, but plenty of fruit. And let's see, poblano plants loaded down, but they're still kind of small too. bell pepper plant's loaded down. Still kind of small though. But I'm definitely going to pick some of these bananas. Oh, took the whole top off.
Gosh. Some big ones.
I think this is a hot banana pepper plant. Because I think I got some of that juice under my fingernail. Ugh, broke a branch again. My fingernail's starting to burn. I need a bigger bowl, Hannah.
You need a bigger yard.
Yes, I do. Okay. Oh, more tomatoes. I think this is also a jalapeno plant. I think this one's a poblano. And I see more bananas. I also see a whole bunch of weeds. And a volunteer tomato plant right there. See that, Hannah? I did not plant that and it just grew. I bet that's going to be a cherry variety. Alrighty. Let's get these last few tomatoes before the rainstorm hits. Ooh. Oh no.
You want me to get it?
Let's see. Did I get them all?
I don't see any more.
I'm okay with the rest ripening on the vine. But y'all, that's a pretty good harvest. All right, let's go back in and finish the potatoes. And I need to get some of the herbs in the dehydrator, and then let's finish canning up that hot dog chili. Woo! Oh man.
Do you want me to stop recording?
Yeah, before I embarrass myself by falling.